Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday the 25th of August 2016. As I said in yesterday morning's Market Alert, I expect a bit of activity in the first hour and then nothing. I mean, you can see we didn't have even a 50-point range, or barely a 50-point range during the quieter part, and then just the market coming back again to that same 18,500 level. The signal here is not valid because it was just before the crude oil inventories, the high impact news item, and then you see the market move down and then come back and find support. And as I said also yesterday in the Market Alert, and also previous ones, that at the moment after the first hour there's no activity, just to stand aside, and that's why, as you can see from here, the market just sideways and eventually just breaking before the close and moving to the downside. But you can see there the market has since recovered and is now back just below the 18,500 level. In the daily chart, you can see the reason why we've got this sideways coiling, narrow sideways channel effect going on. The market's going to break out of this, no doubts about that, in the next week, as everything returns back to normal as from the week after next. So I think we've only got to put up with this one more week, or at least half a week, before we see things returning back to normal. News-wise today, well, things do start to cheer up a bit. We've got the Jackson Hole Symposium, where the Fed will be speaking, in particular Yellen. This is at 5:15 p.m. This is medium impact, but tomorrow she actually addresses the nation, and also you will see a set time for when she does that as well, which I'll let you know tomorrow. And then we've got the implied volatility 1072. This is kicking up just a bit as the market started to move down yesterday, and also, of course, the market concerned about what Yellen is going to have to say as well. And everybody can see that the market is topped out, everything's overvalued, and it's just a matter of buying time as they try and keep the market on the high. So no doubt looking for some inspiration from Yellen tomorrow in order to do that. So we've got the situation where the implied is still sideways, as well as the historic goes on to make new lows, new one on the 23rd at 541. But yesterday this is just kicking up a bit to 552 as well, and again because of the sideways to lower market that you're seeing as of the last few weeks. Right, well, that's really it for today. Not a lot else to report. Say things when coming towards the end of the summer holidays, and we'll be back to normal as of sort of towards the end of next week, which will be great, unless of course Yellen says something tomorrow that gives the market a kick for Tuesday, because it's bank holiday Monday in the UK, and also US holiday as well, which again I can't remember what it was. Let me just have a quick look. Okay, so the UK is closed for the summer bank holiday, or late summer bank holiday, on Monday, but the US isn't. It's a week after. It's the Labor Day. I knew there was either the same day or a week later. Yeah, it's the Labor Day holiday, which will be Monday, September the 5th. So that's it. Right, I will see you in tomorrow's edition, if not speaking beforehand. Other than that, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.